Alright everybody, I'm just going to make a quick video showing what mowers I have and maybe a short explanation as to what I want to do with them. Right here is a John Deere JS45. It's not really in good shape. I think it's got some issues up front here. I'm really just have it for the engine. If I can get the engine running, I'm sure someone will buy it. This is a Craftsman. All I was told was it's a self-propelled. All I was told was it started blowing a bunch of white smoke when he was mowing the lawn. So perhaps maybe a gasket blew or something, or I don't know. He tipped it over. Who knows? This is a Pauline Pro. It's on a Honda engine. I haven't even touched it. It looks pretty good, so I might try to work on it. Engine's probably a decent engine, honestly. So I might try to work on it and see what I can't do with it. These two here, I don't really care about them. They're old Bolines. I got this one on the left first, and then I picked up the one on the right. They're both free, I believe. Probably could get one good working mower out of them, maybe two. I don't know. And then behind here, I got a Honda Harmony 2 HRS 216. The guy said it worked fine, then it started revving to the moon. That was his words, not mine. And he started taking apart the carburetor without knowing what he was doing. I have a new carburetor. I have a new governor spring for it. His governor spring was all messed up, so I'm thinking that might have been the problem. It's a nice Honda engine as well. So I got to work on that one. I'm going to pause the video here for a second. Alright, I got this Craftsman here. Picked it up. The guy told me that it did run, albeit a little rough. I think it's the ignition coil. I wasn't getting any spark out of it, even tested with a good spark plug. So we'll go from there. Got this Troy-Bilt engine. Replaced the carb. It still gives me trouble as far as surging. I'm not sure why. It might be a leak of oil somewhere. If that's the case, I'll just take the carb off and dump it. I don't know. This is another old Craftsman Sears. Everything's there. I'll probably just junk this one. It's a little bit old. I don't know if anyone would actually pay any money for it. I've seen people want 75 bucks for them, and I think that's outrageous. It's so old, even though it is self-drive. Let me pause the video again, and I'll get to the other side here. Alright, so I know it's not very good lighting. And I don't know if I can turn it on while I'm filming videos anyway. It's a Craftsman exclusive. What is it? 675 series. This was left at my garage door. It started right up, but it has a bent shaft on it. So I don't know. I might just junk it. If I can find something else with another shaft that works on it, I'll swap it out, I guess. Back here, that is a Toro 6.5. Came off a Toro recycler, the engine did. It started right up, but the body and the wheels and everything were just completely trashed. So I took the engine off and mounted it on a body I had from another mower, a Pauline push mower. The engine on that one had a cracked block. So I just mounted on there for a place to store it. That body, that Pauline's really nice body, so I might have to do something with that. Let me pause the video again and I'll go show you the rest. Okay, this is another Craftsman. I just picked this one up today for free. It's actually the same engine as the one that's in the garage with, I believe, the bad coil. So we'll see what's going on between them. Maybe get one good mower. Hopefully we can get two. I mean, I can just buy a coil for the other one if I need to. This pull string on here, I pulled it and it doesn't really come out very far. So I got to look at that, see what's going on. This one here is a yard machine I picked up for free the other day. Nothing's wrong with it. They just decided to go to all electric. It started on the third pull, so I'll clean the carb and clean it off real good and get rid of it. Let's see, under here, there's my dog, Emma. I don't know what's going on with this cover. It's a John Deere 6.5 horsepower. This thing actually, I paid 50 bucks for it. It's a JS61. It works just fine. It was It does kind of blow a little white smoke on startup, but then it dissipates quickly. So gotta see what's going on with that. Might not even worry about it. Under there's a little MTD. It's got a bent rod, so I'll probably just keep that for parts because those little mowers always, people always junk them. You know, they buy them cheap and then junk them. Back there's a Yardman mower. That does run. I do need an air filter and probably clean the carb again really good. And then next to it is a Eager 1 Craftsman, I believe. That did run. Then I let it sit for a bit, and then it didn't run anymore. So I probably need to clean the carb real good, and we'll be good. This is a TB146 EC. It's a little garden. Not a rototiller. I don't know what you would exactly call it, but it's just good for little gardens and stuff. Starts up and runs, but as soon as you hit the give it throttle, it dies out. So I got to investigate that a little bit more. I'm not too sure what's going on with that. And then I got this Dirt Killer H200 pressure washer. It's a GX 160 Honda engine on it. Runs great. Everything works, no leaks or anything. The unloader valve on the pump is bad. So I got to work on that to see if I can fix it or not. I really don't want to pay $85 an hour to have someone else fix it. But these things sell for like $2,300 to $2,400. It's a lightweight commercial pressure washer. So it would be nice to actually, you know, have it and get it running and stuff. So that's about it for now. I need to get busy. So I need to decide what I'm going to get, what I'm going to keep, and what I'm going to get rid of as far as just junking and not trying to sell or work on. I think everything up here I'm going to try to work on, and I got that Honda back there and some other things I'm going to try to work on. So yeah, that's about it. That's where we're starting at. These two over here were the first two new ones of the year. So things are starting pretty good. I really want to sell this John Deere. I know people love John Deere, and I could probably get a decent amount of money for it. You know, 150, 200 bucks, maybe 250 or 225 to the right buyer. But really, nothing's wrong with it. It does have this little in the cable here, but everything still works. I did use it last year just to make sure it works. It's clean. Comes with the bag, the side discharge, and an extra blade, and you know, it's a real nice deal. Even if I got 100 bucks for it, someone's getting a real good deal, and I'm at least making my money back, double my money. So, all right, guys, that's it. You'll see more videos like this probably this year. Everyone have a great day.